2018 Jeep Wrangler Moab splits the Sahara and Rubicon gap. Behold the Priciest production package for the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. We knew it was coming, and it's pretty much what we were expecting. The 2018 Jeep Wrangler Moab Edition is now official, is available solely as a 4-door unlimited model with the 3.6-liter V6 engine, and splits the gap between the luxury-biased Sahara and the off-road-ready Rubicon. It's easily identifiable by the big Moab lettering on the hood, but there's a lot more to this limited edition model besides its graphics. The Moab borrows its hood and steel bumpers, complete with removable end caps, from the Rubicon. The 17-inch wheels are painted in a low-gloss black that matches the headlight surrounds, grille inserts, and tow hooks, and are shod in 32-inch mud-terrain tires. LED lighting clusters are standard front and rear. Rock rails from the Rubicon are standard, but the Sahara's side steps are a no-cost option for owners who don't plan to do any hardcore rock crawling. Jeep's new Select-Track full-time 4-wheel drive 2-speed transfer case is also standard equipment, which means all Wrangler Moab models will have an 8-speed automatic transmission. A limited-slip rear differential is also standard. The safety group, which includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross-path detection and a rear backup camera, is included along with an 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen infotainment system. A leather interior package comes standard on the Moab and includes contrast stitching on the seats and dash. Granite crystal, billet silver, pumpkin metallic, orange, mojito, green, black, bright white, stingray, ocean blue metallic and firecracker red are all available on the Moab, which leaves the recently introduced Layla, bright yellow, as the only stock color that's not offered on the Moab. A body color hardtop comes standard on the Moab, and the dual top group and power-operated sky top are optional.